This small berry fooled the world. In distant tropical lands, it carried a surprisingly powerful secret. Allspice, a spice unlike any other, known for its rich and complex aroma. At first glance, it may seem simple, but this was no ordinary spice. It carries notes of cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg, all within a single berry. Because of this, it became known as allspice, a spice of many flavors. For centuries, it was valued not only in cooking, but also in traditional remedies. Ancient cultures believed it could warm the body and support overall well-being. It was often used to aid digestion and bring comfort in times of illness, carefully harvested and dried. These small berries became a staple in kitchens. Their deep, warm flavor added richness to both sweet and savory dishes. Beyond its taste, allspice carried a sense of comfort. In many homes, its aroma became a symbol of warmth, memory, and care. It connected people to their roots and to the simple power of nature. Even today, allspice continues to be used around the world. A small berry with more than one story to tell.